Okay, London session live. London session starts in 10 minutes, right at London Open. Looking at GBP Swiss, 100% bearish confluence here. 3-month traders, monthly traders are in trend reversal. We've broken out. It's a breakout on the 3 months, and we flipped the breakout level and got below previous 3 months low. So we're in bearish breakout on the 3 months as well as the monthly. Monthly, we flipped the month breakout high, and we're below the previous month low. Weekly traders also in trend breakout. We have the weekly breakout level right here. Price broke out and then broke out again below previous week low. Yesterday, there was some fundamental news that reversed the market, but in this case on GBP Swiss did not get above previous week low, so I'm still bearish on this. Yesterday closed bullish breakout. Initially got above this breakout level, faked out the previous day high. This is a breakout reversal. Flipping that breakout level is a false breakout. So daily is currently in a false breakout. I want to see price get below this H8 breakout level in order to take this sell, but it's still too far away. But since it's triggered the H8 high, I can drop down to the M5 where I trade that H8 bar, and I can see the H8 low is right here. If price can break out below this H8 low, this is a counter trend breakout. So we have the breakout level right here, faking out the high. That's a breakout reversal, and then getting below the H8 low above that breakout level is a counter trend breakout. So I'm looking for this at London Open. I want to take it down to that breakout level. So this is what I'm looking for in about 10 minutes. And let's see what else. I'm also looking at GBP USD. I wanted to see if it wants to get below this H8 breakout level, but now it's gone back up above. So weekly is in breakout continuation. Day and H8 are in trend breakout. So my bias at the moment is not correct. I'm looking for price to get below this previous week low and take it down, but it's not what it's doing at the moment. And I was looking at GBP AUD in Asia, didn't give me an entry, and now I don't know what it's doing. This is not what I expected. So if it's not doing what I was expecting, then I don't look at it. So now I'm just focused on GBP Swiss. Saw it on the scanner here. Okay, almost 15 minutes past London Open. Has not broken through. It's actually a good thing that it's getting stuck like this. H4 bar closes in 45 minutes. So what I don't want to see is I don't want to see this H4 bar get up and close above this range. If it does that, then most likely it'll come up and fake out the high before coming down if it wants to go down. And so the closer we get to this H4 bar, the more likely that it stays inside this range. And so I do want to stay stuck like this for as long as possible. And hopefully towards the end, if there's a breakout, maybe around 330, 330 plus, then I would be more confident to take this. But because we're in the range on the H4, if I take it, I'm going to take it with a wider stop. There's also a breakout level here I have to be careful about. But I don't mind trading these if I keep my stops at the high of the day. I have the week over here as well. Yeah, okay. So basically I'm waiting for a 5-minute closure below the H8 low and look for continuation or an M15 closure, ideally at M15, but I don't mind the M5. Looks like it's pushing now. And if I get that, then I'll enter the trade. Okay, it's where I want it to be. Let's see where it closes. Okay, nice closure. Let's see if it continues on. Looking for 5s and 0s on the seconds. I just need to see continuation. Pushing down, looking for 5s and 0 closes below. There you go. Got in on this move. I saw that 40-second closure and stops at the highs over here. The high of the day. Okay, so I'm looking for at least a move down to this H8 breakout level. But I would like to see it move a bunch of levels in between. I'll have a look to see what it does at each of these levels. But first, I wanted to get to that H8 breakout level. Okay, taking partials here at about 1R and just going to let this thing run. You never know if this is going to break or not, so better to just take something out and then just see what happens. Okay, that's it. London session done, and not sure if I'll be trading New York. Been pretty busy these days, but if I do, I'll try to make a video.